Samsung just made everyone mad. What's up guys, we are back and Samsung has finally released the Galaxy Clown aka the S21 Fan Edition, and I gotta say, myself included, a lot of people are pissed. The decision they took regarding the pricing of the S21 FE reflects how things could go with the Galaxy S22 series next month. We'll also take a look at the official OnePlus 10 Pro announcement that also happened today, some interesting Galaxy A series leaks, and more stuff. Alrighty, so the Galaxy S21 FE is officially Samsung's most weirdest smartphone release ever. A phone that Samsung couldn't release last year due to the chip shortage, and when it's finally here, it is overpriced. The Galaxy S21 FE had one job, and that is a phone that is good for the fans when it comes to the price. The minimum price for this phone should have been $599, but Samsung is charging $699. This price does not make any sense because you can buy the original S21 for a cheaper price. And let's not forget the Google Pixel 6 also exists on the market with a $599 price, so this definitely does not make any sense at all. If Samsung is charging $700 for S21 FE, the phone with last year's hardware and all that stuff, then the chances of Galaxy S22 starting at $799 are looking less. By this pricing move, the S22 could start at $899, maxing out the Ultra model at a potential $1,300+. This is kind of giving me that 2020 vibe when Samsung released the S20 Ultra. I really hope that they price the S22 series better compared to what they've done to the S21 Fan Edition. And by the way, there will be a Galaxy S22 Fan Edition later down the year, so yeah, we're gonna see two Fan Edition phones in 1 year. What do you think? Should you buy this phone? Let me know in the comment section below. Also in the news, today we got the official announcement of the OnePlus 10 Pro. This is their all-out flagship phone launching in China in just a couple of days. Perhaps the most interesting thing about this phone is definitely its design. It looks very different compared to the OnePlus phones before. They went all out and created this sort of an ultra look similar to Samsung flagship phones. A lot of people have mixed opinion on the look of this phone. Let me know what you think in the comments below. When it comes to the specs, there's nothing really all out exciting about the OnePlus 10 Pro. The Hasselblad camera partnership is still there, which was pretty much the hype last year, but they couldn't really deliver, so we'll see if there's any improvement in 2022. As for the cameras, they are looking stacked. We have a brand new 48 megapixel camera sensor that can shoot 8K video. Display is set to have a new LTPO 2.0 technology with even smoother performance. I wish OnePlus included a proper periscope zoom system on this phone so that it would actually compete fully with the S22 Ultra or the Xiaomi Mi 12 Ultra that's gonna come out as well. But yeah, it is what it is. The OnePlus 10 Pro is now official, coming out in China in a couple of days and then globally soon. Now last but not the least, Samsung's dual chip thingy might soon be a thing for their mid-range phones as well. Yes, that's right. According to Galaxy Club, Samsung will launch two versions of Galaxy A53 as well as their A73. Depending on the market, whether you are in India, Middle East, or North Africa, you will get either Snapdragon or Exynos chipset variants. The competition in the mid-range segment is pretty strong, and Samsung has to absolutely deliver if they want to stand a chance against the Chinese brands such as Realme and Xiaomi. So that's all the latest news. The Samsung Galaxy Clown is here, the S21 FE. Feel free to let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Looking at the pricing of the S21 FE, I'm kind of worried about the pricing of the S22 series that's coming out next month. Again, let me know what you think in the comments below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.